Even more important that the victory in the leg is the how we are now with the points. No, we are in a very comfortable position. The best thing that can happen is that you have to fight with one ball to win the leg instead have to fight with 3 or 4 balls. And today, even if the teams they in a very similar level, we can see that different in points and they getting bigger and bigger. So today we are in a much better position to win the whole race that we were in Cape Town, no? And that's the most important. Just keep moving forward, and that's it. No, that is just thinking the next level. No?